In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the cartridge memory missing error on the HP LaserJet Pro 4103. This problem stops your printer, but don't worry. Just follow me step by step, and we will fix it together.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you turn on your printer, this message appears on the screen: Cartridge Memory Missing. Unable to read cartridge data from the indicated cartridges. Reinstall the cartridge. When you send a print command, this message appears on your printer's screen: Cartridge Memory Missing. Unable to read cartridge data from the indicated cartridges. Reinstall the cartridge. Now take the cartridge out of the printer carefully. Next, locate the cartridge chip and gently clean it with a soft, dry cloth. This error happens when the cartridge is not in place properly, the protective tape is still on, or the chip is dirty. Using non-original or refilled cartridges or old printer software can also cause it. The most common problem is a dirty cartridge chip. I'm cleaning the chip of this printer carefully with a soft cloth. Now, let's see if this fixes the printer. That's it! The cartridge memory missing error is fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Device Doctor tips.